Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can download, install and use your Exodus wallet. It's really fast and easy, and let me show how. So first, what you need to do here, you need to go to exodus.com and just press download button, and then you will be redirected to another page, and you can select desktop or mobile, and then you can expand this and basically select on what device you want to download your Exodus wallet. So on Windows, Mac, Linux, or on App Store or Google Play. And once you have the file, it's fairly small, it's around 100 megabytes. Install to your computer. It's fast and easy. And after you install Exodus, you should see similar window to this, right? And here basically what you need to know I will show you right away. So first button will be portfolio. So basically we can put the cryptocurrency and amount that you have, and basically you will have your portfolio and dips, and that you can see dips or rises and much more, right? And then on wallet here you should see all the cryptocurrency that you have. As you can see here, I don't have any cryptocurrency, but if you have some Bitcoin, you will see here whole Bitcoin or fractional Bitcoin. It really doesn't matter. And then once you select the cryptocurrency, you can send it or receive. So if you want to receive, just press on receive. You will get the ID, your wallet ID that you need to basically copy to another exchange, and from that exchange you can send it money to Exodus. Or if you want to send similar to this, you need to put the wallet address. So for example, if you want to send to Binance, you need to put your Ethereum Binance wallet address here and put amount and send to, for example, Binance, right? And on exchange section here, you can basically here exchange Bitcoin to Ethereum or other cryptocurrency, but keep in mind with Exodus you cannot deposit money and then buy cryptocurrency. So simply you just only can for example change Bitcoin to Ethereum or other cryptocurrency right here. And the last thing that I want to show you is you need to go to settings and set up your password and recovery things. So you need to go to backup, you need to type unique password here and then press next, and then you need to type your password again, and then as you can see here you need to write down your 12-word phrase. So your 12-word recovery phrase allows you to recover your wallet in case you ever lose your access to it. Write down the words in correct order from 1 to 12 and store to somewhere safe. Anyone with your recovery phrase can spend your funds. Do not show it anyone. So simply, if you basically forgot your password, you can always recover your account with this 12-word phrase, and you don't need to show to anyone. And once you write it down, your 12-word phrase, or you can print here, you need to press another step, and then as you can see here, check your paper backup. This is the last step. Which word from the list below belongs to your paper backup? And for me is this one, elephant, but I don't show you that. You basically hover your mouse here and you can see here, you can see the words here, and then just press next. And as you can see here, which is which was on your 12-word backup. So for me, I believe this one. Then press finish. And as you can see here, one moment, Exodus is your backup is complete, right? And now that's pretty much it. What you need to know, how you can use it and install Exodus on your computer, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.